Listen, if you're tired of kitchen faucets that drip, rust, or fight back every time you try to clean them, you're going to want to see this. Because today, we're looking at the FORIOUS Kitchen Faucet, a budget-friendly pull-down sprayer that claims to bring premium performance without the premium price tag. And honestly, after testing it out, I think this one might surprise you. Let's dive into what makes the FORIOUS Kitchen Faucet stand out. Feature montage. Superior build quality. This faucet is made from SUS 304 stainless steel, certified CUPC, NSF 61372, and fully lead-free. It's using drip-free ceramic cartridges and high-temp PEX hoses, which basically means safer water, longer life, and fewer headaches. Perfect size for most kitchens. It sits at 14.76 inches tall with a 6.69-inch spout height, making it perfect for tight spaces, RVs, laundry rooms, campers, bars, or your farmhouse sink. 3 spray modes. You get stream, spray, and pause. The 18-inch retractable hose and 360-degree swivel head make rinsing dishes, filling pots, or cleaning the sink way easier. Fast, no-stress installation. FORIOUS claims a DIY install in under 15 minutes, and honestly, they're right. It includes a 10-inch deck plate for 1, 2, or 3-hole setups, and all hardware is in the box. Easy cleaning, beautiful finish. The brushed nickel finish has a 5-layer nanotechnology coating. It resists fingerprints, water spots, and stays clean with just a quick wipe. Modern, minimalist look. Simple, sleek, and surprisingly elegant. Works in almost any kitchen style. Pros and cons. Alright, let's be honest. No product is perfect. So, here are the real pros and cons. Pros. Lead-free and fully certified, safer and better built than most inexpensive faucets. Strong spray options with a comfortable pull-down hose. Quick DIY installation, no plumber needed. Spot-resistant finish that actually works. Affordable, but feels like a mid-range faucet. Versatile, great for homes, RVs, rentals, laundry rooms, bars, or basement sinks. Cons. Flow rate is 1.8 GPM. Great for saving water, but some people prefer a stronger stream. The lightweight feel won't match a $300 faucet, but at this price, that's expected. Overall review. So here's my final take. The FORIOUS Kitchen Faucet is absolutely worth the money if you want something modern, durable, and easy to install without dropping a fortune. This is perfect for homeowners wanting a budget-friendly upgrade, renters who want DIY install and removal, RV and camper owners, laundry rooms, basements, or bar sinks. Anyone tired of cheap faucets that fail in a year. It's reliable, stylish, and practical. Exactly the kind of upgrade that saves you time and stress while making your kitchen feel brand new. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home and auto tips, and check the link in the description if you want to learn more or pick up the FORIOUS faucet for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.